For 2 months I'll have to pay, third month will be free. Some myth which got busted that if you are a newcomer, you don't have credit history, you cannot. See, here it is written westbound this side and eastbound. So let me show you some items and their prices. You can pause the video to look at the price properly. Next day starts. It is raining here. See, I have taken an umbrella. I bought this from India. So I'm right now going to the grocery store which is nearby to get some ketchup so that I can have my breakfast. And today the plan is I'll finalize the deal of either prepaid or postpaid. Prepaid is what I'm actually interested in. Postpaid does help you in building your credit history, which is very important here, and it also gets you billing address, right? However, prepaid gives you some kind of clarity in terms of and no surprises. So those things also I'm considering, and then we plan to go to Walmart to get the majority of our grocery. Some are walking without umbrella. It's drizzling. This is some sauce, 680 ml, 3.5. Chili sauce. I saw its ingredient. There is no chili. So this is 455 ml for $7. And this is 1 liter, almost double. Same amount, $7. This is tomato, and that is what it is called as chili, right? So rain is almost stopped, and I have got my ketchup. So this costed me $4 for 750 ml sauce. Try this taste. I don't know which brand is this. Let's try. It's still raining. I have left for taking this SIM. Yesterday I already discussed with various service providers. I went to the mall. I had posted that video of the previous day. So now I'm going and finally taking the SIM. To the mall in which I came yesterday for talking to various service providers. So till yesterday I was thinking I'll take prepaid for both me and my wife. However, after thinking little bit more and figuring out plans for postpaid, I thought let us take one postpaid plan that will also help in building the credit history, and one prepaid plan to ensure that at least on one side we are covered from all kind of surprises. For postpaid, reach out to various folks. You can get their contacts from various Facebook groups. They'll offer you good deals. For the prepaid plan, no one is offering any offer. Neither store nor those people, so I'll just take it directly from the store. Got both the SIM. One prepaid, one postpaid. And this was a Canada Day week that's going on, so they were offering good deals on postpaid one. So Virgin and Fido, these are the primary two were my targets. And $50, 20 gigs of data postpaid. That is what I have got on Fido. The similar deal was on the Virgin, but it ended today only. So only Fido had that deal. So when I asked them, I said, see, I have got some good deals with a couple of people whom I have discussed, and they have given me this deal. They said, yes, this is available. I mean, this was available till yesterday, but now it's no longer available. That was for Virgin. And then I went to Fido. He said, yes, it is available, and today is the last day. So I booked that deal. So normally without this deal, you get say 6 to 8 gigs of data normally, but I got it 20 gigs of data, and activation charges were also waived off. So that's another good thing. And the best part is, everyone else for the postpaid, they were asking the SIN number, driving license or credit card, whereas in this Fido kiosk they only ask for the passport, and that is it, and hand to hand they gave it to me. If I would have opted online, or if I would have taken with those people whom I discussed, it would have taken a couple of days for the SIM to reach me via courier. Since I got one SIM from Fido, Fido is part of the Rogers network, I wanted another SIM for my wife to be of another network, and that is the Bell network. So for Bell, it is the Virgin Mobile, which is similar to that of Fido. But the person at the Virgin store, he said that they will charge $50 for SIM activation. Then he himself suggested that go and take a SIM from Lucky Mobile, which is also part of Bell, right? Take a SIM from there. They will not charge any activation fee, and once you get the SIM, once you activate it, then you can port it to us, then we will not charge anything. So that is the plan. So I have got the SIM from Lucky Mobile, and the offer is that for 2 months I'll have to pay, third month will be free. So I am thinking that for 3 months we'll keep it and then we'll transfer it here. One incorrect information that's there in normal forums that I read or I see some videos, I would say that's a myth which got busted, that if you are a newcomer, you don't have credit history, you cannot get a postpaid SIM, right? Because for postpaid they will do a credit check and all those things. Yeah, they might do credit check, right? But even if you don't have any credit at all, no credit history in Canada, you will get it, just like I got it, right? They did not ask for any other document apart from my Indian passport, and that's it, I got it. But most other folks who were offering this postpaid plan, they were asking for a SIN number. That also you can get it. But the thing is, even if you don't have a credit history, they will do the credit check and you will still get it. That is the idea for the postpaid plan. And all the offers are there in the postpaid plan. In prepaid they don't have much offers. But still, prepaid is good so that you will not get any surprise billing. No data usage extra charges, no calling extra charges, nothing, no extra charges basically at all. So if you want to be safeguarded from that front, go for prepaid, otherwise postpaid is a good deal. We are going to Walmart for the first time, and also for the first time we'll be using TTC. Let us see how is the experience. TTC, you have to get a Presto card, right, so that you can tap and pay, you don't have to pay cash. And in my previous video, like yesterday's video, I showed how to get the Presto card, so that's what we are going to use. And now we are heading towards the subway station. So on Google Map you can put the location wherever you want to go, and it will show you how you have to change, from where you have to go, how much time it will take and everything. So that's what I have seen, and that is how we are going there. We have tapped the gate at the subway station, and now we have come down. And there are two ways, one is northbound, another is southbound. So we have to go northbound. So that's why I'm on one side of it where there is a northbound subway.
Please stand clear of the door.
We have come out from the subway, and now we have to take the next subway. So see, here it is written, we have to go west side, so we have to take the westbound subway, and for that it is mentioned go down. So this is down, so that's where we'll go and take our next subway. See, here it is written westbound this side and eastbound that side, so we have to take the westbound subway. We have now got out from our second subway as well, and now the Google Map says exit via west side. While exiting from the subway station, you don't need to tap anywhere, right? You just walk and the gate will open. We are done riding our first subway ride, and now the Google Map says we have to go in that direction. Walmart is that side. How much for this one? That one I give you 20. Walmart cards are locked, like, see. So you need to put a coin here, I think $1 coin. Of the cart and take it, you need 25 cents. We didn't have that, so the security guy helped. He just said that you bring it back. So here we are at the Walmart for the first time ever. So let me show you some items and their prices. You can pause the video to look at the price properly. vegan mayonnaise for those who are interested. Good example of there is no fixed price anywhere. I'll show you. So this Heinz chili sauce here it is selling for 5.57, and the same one in the morning the nearby grocery store it was selling for $7. Milk, since it's selling in Canada, it is written in English milk chocolate and also in French chocolate au lait. See, shopping cart can travel separately. You just need to enter it at the top besides the escalator, and then it will travel. We bought a lot of things from Walmart, and when the time came to carry all of those things with us, we thought we'll buy a personal cart in Walmart. That was the original idea, that we'll buy a personal cart on which we can put the thing and we'll carry it along with us via the public transport. However, in Walmart we did not find any such cart which we can buy, and the bags that they gave us were the paper bags, right? So when we put couple of stuff in that, the handle broke. It was very difficult how to carry. One good thing was at least one bag is what we carried along with us, but the rest were paper bags. We were thinking, okay, we'll just take those along with us, but it was getting very difficult because of those fragile bags. Then finally we thought, okay, let's do an Uber. Then there was another problem. We have a kid and we don't have a car seat. So I still thought, okay, let me book the Uber. I'll talk to the driver. He might be having car seat. Because I was told and I have read at multiple places that it's mandatory to have a car seat in Uber and Lyft. You don't need car seat in airport taxis. Show you how much we bought. See, these 3 paper bags and our one backpack, and the bill was $140.